We are on a quest. On a mission to find the native plant and animal species of southeastern Arizona.
Good morning, everyone. You're watching the Green Dream Project. Jim here.
And Jessica.
And we're here with another Native Plants and Animals edition. We're here today to take a look at the desert broom.
The desert broom is a perennial flowering shrub, and it's native to northwest Mexico and here in the southwestern United States. It can be found in desert or desert grasslands or chaparral environments. This plant grows in elevations from about 1,000 to 5,000 feet, and it's commonly found along washes or along roadsides like this one. They're usually 3 to 6 feet tall, though they can get up to 10 feet.
These things are leafless most of the year, giving it kind of a spindly, twiggy kind of appearance. This plant here is considered an evergreen, but it's deciduous during the dry periods. When it does have leaves, they're small and thick, and they have sticky secretions on the stems. It flowers between mid-October and January, and the female plants produce seeds with little white tassels that look like snow.
You can see some on the ground around here too.
Oh yeah, yep.
It's almost like snow in the desert.
Snow in the desert.
The desert broom's considered to be sort of a nuisance weed by a lot of people. It can grow fairly easily where a lot of other plants don't grow. Once it's established, it's kind of hard to get rid of. It has these long, tough roots. There's not a lot of herbivore animals that are going to be eating this plant, except maybe jackrabbits during droughts. And the pollen causes allergic reactions in a lot of people too. So probably not a favorite plant of some people, but it does definitely have its place here in the desert, and it has a lot of uses and benefits that we're going to talk about.
So like a lot of other desert plants, these things can be very useful. Now, obviously, because it grows in the desert environment, it has very low water needs. It can attract beneficial insects, like butterflies. This thing is also a pioneer species, meaning it can grow in places where other plants can't. And then it helps pave the way for other plants coming down the line. So if the soil's not that good, this thing can help prepare it for other plants. Of course, this thing also provides shade. It can act as sort of like a support species for other plants. Once this thing gets established, it can help shade and protect other plants that you want to grow in its stead.
Which is really important during the hot times.
Usually in most of the places around the country, you want as much sun as possible, but sometimes here in Arizona, it's something you actually want to kind of try and pull back a little bit.
And that shade's going to help other plants, it's going to help animals.
And of course, native people of the Southwest actually used to tie these branches together and use them as brooms, which is where it gets its name from. Now that's pretty handy. And this thing has medicinal benefits as well. It can help with cold, headaches, muscle aches, coughs, stomach aches.
Studies have actually been done on the desert broom plant, investigating compounds in it. It does contain a flavonoid, which has anti-inflammatory properties, it's an antioxidant, and could possibly lower cholesterol. It also contains quercetin, which is an antioxidant, and something called apigenin, which actually binds to the same receptor sites in the brain as the drug Valium. So the plant does contain a lot of potentially powerful medicinal ingredients. Of course, more extensive research is important, and probably don't want to just go out eating a bunch of this stuff without really understanding how that works.
And that probably goes with any of these like desert plants that have medicinal properties. Definitely, you got to do your research. You got to find out exactly how it was being used and how it was prepared and all that. Yeah, better safe than sorry. All right, thanks a lot for watching, everyone. We appreciate you being here. If you found this informational, entertaining, or whatnot, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Share it with a friend because they want to know about the desert broom. It can help clean up their houses. And as always, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. We'll catch you on the next video. Bye.